Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Numbers, two popular spreadsheet applications. Excel, developed by Microsoft, is a robust tool known for its extensive features and cross-platform compatibility. Apple's Numbers, on the other hand, is celebrated for its intuitive design and visual appeal, primarily within the Apple ecosystem. We will explore their core differences, functionalities, user experiences, and ideal use cases to help you decide which best suits your needs. When it comes to features, Excel offers a significantly larger array of functions, with over 400 built-in options for intricate calculations and data manipulation, including powerful pivot tables. Numbers provides about 250 functions, which are sufficient for most everyday tasks, emphasizing simplicity. Excel can manage massive datasets, handling over 1 million rows, while Numbers is optimized for smaller, more manageable data, supporting up to 1 million rows. The user interface is a major differentiator. Excel presents a traditional spreadsheet with multiple sheets organized as tabs, which can feel complex due to its vast features. Numbers adopts a more minimalist, visually driven approach, allowing you to place multiple tables and objects on a single canvas. Numbers often creates more aesthetically pleasing charts and graphs, while Excel offers deeper customization and robust integration with other applications and business intelligence tools. Choosing between them depends on your needs. Excel is the go-to for professionals requiring advanced data analysis, financial modeling, and handling very large datasets across various operating systems. Numbers shines for personal use, smaller projects, and users within the Apple ecosystem who prioritize visual presentation and ease of use. Numbers is free for Apple device owners, while Excel is a paid product, often part of a Microsoft 365 subscription. Both are powerful, but cater to different user priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.